Welcome to Self and Peer Assessment Criteria in Blackboard Learn. Once I have created a self and peer assessment, the next step is to assign criteria for the questions I have added to the assessment. So what I'll do is I'll go into my self and peer assessment and click the Edit. Within the Edit area, I will click Assessment Canvas. Within the canvas, I'll see the questions I have created. So for my question about the habitat penguins live in, I want to add criteria. So I'll click the option menu next to the name of the question and select criteria. Within Blackboard Learn, you can create your own criteria, and there is one default criteria, which is word count criteria. I'll click on word count criteria, and if I have a certain number of words that the essay must be a certain minimum number of words, I can set that here. So does submission meet the word count recommendation? And I can enter the recommended word count. 250 words. I can change my points possible. Let's say it's 10 points. And if I allow any variation, so if the student is 5 words shy or 5 words more, I can allow some variation if I wish, and I'll click Submit. So now I've created my first criteria on the word count. I can also create my own criteria. So if I click on Create Criteria, I will first put in the criteria. Was APA style correctly used in submission? So I have my criteria listed here, and I can set my points possible. Maybe I want this to be a little more value than 2. Let's say 15. And I can say all or nothing or partial credit. If I say all or nothing, it'll be 0 points or 15 points. Or I can allow the students to enter a variable number of points between 0 and 15 if I say partial credit. Allow feedback to user. Yes is checked. And I'll click Submit. To add additional criteria to my question, I'll just keep clicking Create Criteria and add as many criteria options as I need to add. This has been Self and Peer Assessment Criteria in Blackboard Learn.